Hi, math adventurers! Are you ready for a sweet story that will make division easy? Ready? Let's go! In a charming forest, a happy bunny named Benny loved baking cookies. He made 10 cookies for a picnic with his friends, Sammy and Penny, planning to share them equally. Benny tried grouping them. He made 3 piles, giving each friend 3 cookies. But 1 cookie was left over, Sammy noted. We divided 10 cookies among 3 of us. Each of us got 3 cookies, but there's 1 left over. Benny learned that sometimes, division leaves a remainder. Now, we will learn some key division terms: dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Dividend is the total amount you start with, the number you're dividing. In the story, Benny has 10 cookies, so the dividend is 10. Divisor is the number of groups or parts you're splitting the dividend into. 10 cookies divided among 3 friends, so the divisor is 3. Quotient is the answer to how many each gets when you divide equally. In the story, Benny makes 3 piles, and each pile has 3 cookies. So, the quotient is 3, meaning each friend gets 3 cookies. Remainder: sometimes, the dividend doesn't split perfectly into equal groups, and something is left over. That's the remainder. In the story, after giving each of the 3 friends 3 cookies, 3 times 3 is equal to 9 cookies used. There's 1 cookie left because 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Sammy suggests saving this extra cookie for Tilly, so the remainder is 1, and that's how Benny and his friends made every cookie count with division. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun math adventures.